I don't know about you, but it seems so weird to me that there's so much trading advice right here on the internet, but so many people are still not profitable trading. I've been trading for like 7 years, and I'm just kind of sick of it. I'm sick of seeing all this stuff. When I first started, I'd go to YouTube, I'd go to Google, I would go to blogs. I thought there were a bunch of secrets, but there's just so much information that it can be really hard to make sense of it at times. So I started thinking, if I could go back to when I was a beginner trying to learn how to do Forex trading, what would I do differently? And I think that just maybe I've found the solution. First and foremost, what would I not do? I used to obsessively study so much information, hoping that someday I'd find out the little secrets that I need to learn to get and stay profitable. But what I found is that it was quite the contrary. The less things that I did, the more profitable I became. It made me realize that the information was never important. What was important was the experience, seeing the same things on the charts day after day. When I let go of all the information that I had learned and instead let my experience guide me, I developed an intuition for the markets, almost a feeling like I could tell what was about to happen next. And I'm going to show you right now exactly how I did it. First things first, you have to simplify. This allows you to repeat the same set of actions over and over again to get the same predictable, consistent results. To start, you want to define what you're actually going to do, and this involves just creating a set of simple rules for your trading approach. Here's an example of a simplified trading approach. 1. Go to the daily chart. 2. Draw only the clear support resistance zones. 3. Wait for price to get to one of these zones. 4. Take a trade to profit from a bounce of the zone with a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Now, of course, you can optimize this over time, but this just gives you a simple place to start. That way you can repeat the same actions and then collect some data to see what's working and what's not. And that leads me into the next portion, tracking your data. You have to have a way to look at what you're doing so that you can see where your strengths are and where your weaknesses are. The idea is once you identify these things, you can just do more of what works and less of what doesn't. Once you've got the basic rules for your system written down, simply trade the system for 2 months and track all the metrics in a simple trading journal. Here's how. Head over to Google Sheets. You're going to open up a new sheet and you're only going to worry about tracking 3 simple things. A screenshot of what the trade looked like before you took it, a screenshot of what the trade looked like after it was complete, and then some simple notes, anything that you feel is important that you want to write down about why you took the trade and what happened. At the end of every trading week, sit down and look at all the trades that you took. Click through all the before and after screenshots, read through your notes, add to your notes if necessary. And over the next couple weeks, what you're going to notice is that you're going to start finding what works and what doesn't. You're going to start finding your strengths and weaknesses. You're going to start learning all the little subtle nuances that will make your trading system unique to you. And this is how you develop that intuition. Keep taking trades, tracking the results, reviewing the data, making little tweaks and optimizations, and let the experience be your mentor. Over time, you will wake up one day and realize that you've been profitable for the past few weeks. And not only that, but you will continue to become a better trader. This is exactly how I got profitable, and this is exactly how thousands of people who have learned from me have gotten profitable too. If you'd like to join those thousands of people, you can join my free Telegram channel at the link in the description. I share all my daily analysis and trading content in there. And if you'd like even more help from me and my team to help you implement everything you've learned here in this video, I've also put the link to my website in the description. Click that and you can learn more about the services that we offer.
Is she a beautiful girl? Yes, she is. Oh.